Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Every year Muslims offer sacrifices following the sunnah of Ibrahim. Every able-bodied person sacrifices according to his ability, and everyone tries to sacrifice the best animal. People turns to cattle markets to fulfill this desire. The sacrificial animals are beautifully decorated. So in today's video, we will show you the most expensive and heaviest bulls not only of Pakistan but of the whole world. Number 7, Sebi Bhakrari. This bull belongs to Balochistan provinces. This bull won the first position in the Sebi fair. Animals are brought to this festival from all over Pakistan. Sebi Bhakrari won the festival because of his beauty. This bull weighs 1 ton and its height is 8 feet. Bhakrari drinks 16 kg of milk daily, 1 kg of pistachio, almond and ghee. It's massaged with pure coconut oil of bright white color. Number 6, Ketu. This bull belongs to the Cholistan region of Pakistan. This bull is the largest and most expensive bull of the Sumawala form in Cholistan. It is 10 feet tall and weighs 45 pounds. It's cost 1 billion. It belongs to the Brahman race. Number 5, Qutb Minar. This bull belongs to Mandi Sarab of Karachi. Its height is 9 feet. Its weight is 1700. It's cost 1 billion. So viewers, these were the powerful bulls of Pakistan. Pakistani people raise bulls with great love and passion to sacrifice for the sake of Allah. The meat of these bulls is very tasty and free from all kinds of chemical. So viewers, now we will tell you about international level bulls. The first bull to be mentioned is Brahman. These bulls were initially only in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh, but now the breeding of Brahman bulls has also been done in the United States. This bull weighs 1,000 kg. The height of this bull is 7 feet and walks without stopping for many hours. But nowadays, due to modern machinery, this bull is now formed to meet the demands for meat. Number 3, Belgian Blue. This bull belongs to Belgium. This bull looks like a bodybuilder. Its muscles are natural. The greatest quality of this bull is that it does not contain fat. It is mostly used for forming. An adult bull weighs 1100 to 1250 kg. Its height is 1.45 meters to 1.50 meters. Number 2, Chinina. This bull is loved for its beautiful body, thick eyes and neck. This is the tallest and heaviest world's breed. This bull weighs 18 kg and stands 6 feet height. In 1955, a bull of the same breed weighed 1,740 a record. This bull is mostly bred for meat. Number 10, Angus. This bull is the most expensive bull because of its delicious meat. Its meat is famous all over the world. This is the favorite animal of the people of America and Australia. In terms of meat, Angus height 135 centimeters and weight 1000 kg. This bull's breed is not very big, but it looks very massive. So viewers, these were our Pakistani and international bulls. Thank you so much for watching this video.